Okay, hello there. Welcome to 2001's Tornado Siren Show. But before we continued, shout out for there's two people to shout out. Number one, shout out to Waylon Vortex, who got 112 subscribers. Second shout out to Andrew, who got 523 subscribers. And shout out to me, we almost to 2.2k, 25k likes. I mean subscribers. Yeah, I meant subscribers. So we are close, and this is Hurricane Season Part 2. Let's get to the intro. Tornado siren. So later at Wayland News. Okay. Okay. So I finna leave, but first I need to activate the door of God for a hurricane warning. Let me hit the button right quick. Five minutes later at Angel House. Well, there goes my power by this stupid hurricane. But yeah, well, I might as well just go to sleep here then. 10 minutes later, as Wayland Vortex Finback driving home. Oh, well, I can't see nothing. So good news, I got the headlights on. And these days are kind of good in my vehicle. Oh crap, there's a down power line. Later at 2810 house. Shh. Well, I'm just stuck in this basement. I don't even want to come out. But goodness, I still got power here. Part 3 coming soon at September the 1st. Yeah, September the 1st. Okay, Dale. Goodbye.